This is the Llŷn Peninsula, chiseled from extremes of volcanic eruptions and glacial activity, the effect of which has given us stunning views that make a lasting impression on all who set foot here. It truly is a Celtic landscape. There are strong similarities between Llŷn and Irish cromlechs, or dolmens, burial chambers dating from the Neolithic age. This alone suggests early links across the Celtic scene. Indeed, the name Llŷn itself derives from the same source as the Irish province Leinster. By far the most prominent and well-known feature of Llŷn is Tre Ceiri, literally translated as the Fort of Giants. A defence wall surrounding 150 hut formations protects the site. It is today widely regarded as one of Europe's chief Iron Age fortifications.